Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're looking at this 1965 AMC Marlin. We will start her up, cold start, take her for a ride, warm her up, and take her through the gears. Okay, so here we have 1965 AMC Marlin, 327 V8, automatic transmission, factory air. We'll do a cold start. Here we go. One pump. Starts right up. Everything's working. Little fuel gauge action. Nice high idle. Easy power steering. And away we go. Got some temperature in her. Cruising very nicely. Again, power steering, power brakes. Really drives well. 327 V8, automatic transmission. A great cruiser. A pillarless coupe, so there's no pillars between the front and back windows. Gives you a real open air feeling. Really cruises nice. Again, you could drive it one hand if you want. I don't recommend it. We have factory air conditioning, full heat, working wipers, horn. Traditional American muscle car, big V8 up front, rear wheel drive, front disc brakes, great throaty sound, 4-barrel carb. So this was made a little more luxurious in the muscle car market. Previous versions had much smaller V8s. With the Marlin introduction, they had the 327 V8. Again, 4-barrel carb. Luxury was one of their selling points versus some of the other competitors. She's got some temperature in her. We're going to make a right up here. We're going to go up through the twisties a little bit, see how she handles. Again, great power steering, kicks down a gear, great V8 rumble, shifts smoothly, true American muscle car. Yet room for 5. Great unique look as opposed to some of the other cars in its class of the era. Solid as could be, really drives well. We're going to come up here, we'll drop off Jason, we'll do some flybys, and we'll be right back to you. So, good flybys, feels really good. Everything's working. Straight, solid. I'm going to take her up to the farm road, open her up a little bit. Really great American muscle car. A little different than the normal stuff, but still get that V8 growl. A unique addition to any collection. A real standout. You take it to Cars and Coffee, you take it for coffee, you take it for newspaper, some ice cream with the family. Really, people giving thumbs up, flashing the lights. Very unique piece. AMC Marlin. If you're a Florida Marlins fan, this car's for you. All right, here we come up to the farm road. Step down a little bit, let her run up. Great V8 rumble, cruises well. Really solid. Again, you can drive one hand if you'd like. I don't recommend it. But I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe below. Comment as well. And we'll see you on the next one.